Guess what, friends? I have a brand new book. Look inside. Straight lines, wavy lines, zigzags, and circles. All the magic lines we need to start writing. And today, you and I are going to practice together, just like in my book. Are you ready? Let's trace. Tracing lines. Tracing shapes. Tracing figures. You did such a great job tracing today. I'm so proud of you. But that's not all. I have 3 more books to help you keep learning. Parents, you can get them by clicking the link in the description below. And if you do, please leave us a review on Amazon. It helps our little community grow and helps me create more fun activity books for your kids.